This is a community of water birds. It includes waders as well as aquatic birds. Though they have different natures, statures, sizes, habits, and appearances, and are from different locations, they flock as a community, with one thing in common. Here you can see lesser whistling ducks, black-headed ibis, knob ducks, darters, cormorants, spoonbills, herons, pelicans, egrets, storks, etc., all flock together as one community. Even though they have occasional fights, chases and mobs with each other, they as a peaceful community have only one aim, and that is feeding.